Palladium against US dollar this week has managed to make a bullish breakout, but before that we can see the price has bounced from this resistance level, then returning back up, then bouncing back down again, and then eventually on a Tuesday the price has formed this bullish breakout above 1081.63. Formed this bullish breakout, another bullish breakout, and then on a Friday again the third one. So the price is in the bullish mode right now. The weekly time frame shows us that this is a bullish breakout, and we see a very important one. The price could not manage to make a bullish breakout several weeks in the past, we can see that, but this time the price has managed to reach that price level, and it has made a bullish breakout reaching very close to 1221.84. The monthly time frame shows us a bullish breakout, we can see that, and we have 1 week more to see how this month will close. Currently it looks like a bullish, and it is a bullish breakout above where the price has reached the next very important resistance level, and we can see that here, which was not reached for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 all a year. We can see that here, which is a very important information currently for the Palladium. Now if I go to the daily time frame, which is a very important one, we can see what are the levels in front of us. We can see that the very important level is 1221.84, and the price has reached a supply zone here and bounced back down. Now it is around 1185.35, and very important also resistance level, and now acting as support. What I'm expecting currently, I'm expecting that there could be a drop even further down from this area because of this bullish momentum that has been formed. The traders will try to get out from their trades like on a Friday. That's why the price has returned back down. So we'll see what happens on a Monday and on a Tuesday, but I'm expecting that the price could drop even further down because of the selling pressure, which is around here, a supply zone. But this could be also wrong prediction if the price makes a bullish breakout above 1221.84. Now if I take a look here, whenever the price has reached this area, like in this example, we can see the price has gone all the way to 1244.30 before returning back down. So this could be also the same scenario, so this is something that I will expect. For now I am expecting that the price will go to the price around 1244, which will be around here, and then return back down. I will also make the next resistance and support levels above, comparing to the past, to see where the price will try to move further on the higher price level. Now currently everything looks bullish until I see the price returning all the way back down to 1081.63. If the price goes below this one, this will return back inside this range area, which is holding the price for 1 year. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.